Guys, my name is Ahmed Olusoya and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to register a corporate account, how to open a corporate account in Nigeria without you having a CAC account. Okay, now what do I mean by this? Now, you know that in Nigeria, the custom tradition is whenever you want to open a corporate account in Nigeria, you need to provide your CAC document. You need to have a TIN. You need to register for tax. All these things, and sometimes you need to register for EFCC. In EFCC, you register in EFCC so that they will give you a document that you can present to your bank so that your bank can open a corporate account for you, because that was the route I went through when opening my own corporate account then. Now, what is the logic behind this? Now, the advantage of you having a corporate account is so enormous. Like, for example, if you have a corporate account, clients can easily transact with you. They can even they can trust you. They can give you contract, give you jobs, so that at least you gain a reputation. You be responsible. Okay, you were responsible in the sight of your business partner or investor that wants to deal with your business. For example, now let's say someone is transacting a worth of 2 million naira or 3 million naira, maybe business deals with you, and you are asked to provide your account details and you are giving them your personal account. Oh, the person will be skeptical. Psychologically, the person will want to retract his or her dealings with you, because using a personal account doesn't speak well when you are dealing with business. But if you don't want to do that, there is a way that you can do it that I've done, I've tested, and it's trusted, and it's proven, and it's working. Now I'm going to be giving to you how to open your own corporate account without you even registering in CAC, without you, within couple of minutes, within 10-15 minutes, you own your own corporate account and you can begin to send and receive money at your own will. And this method is very real. I'll be showing you my proofs and the transaction I made on this, so you can create your own corporate account. If you are into e-commerce, if you are into coaching, you can put up a name like AB Coaching, AB Mall, or all these stuffs, and people can pay you through that business account and you are going to receive alerts immediately. And this is awesome, and I'm giving you this straight away, and this is 5 star, believe you me. Now, without much ado, let's get started. Now, I'm going to be walking you through the app that you need to download on your Play Store. So I'm going to be giving you the app to download, and this app is duly registered by CBN. It's a bank, it's a microfinance bank. They are duly registered in CBN and they are okay. And I can guarantee you that that is what I'm using. And I want to assure you that if you download this app, in fact you are going to open your business account, and which will be up and running in the next few minutes. Now, the app that you need to download is called VPay Merchants. Okay, you can see VPay Merchant. I've already downloaded it. VPay Merchants. So I've already downloaded mine. So once you download it, so you are going to you are going to register, you sign up, and after signing up, so you log in. So I'm going to open my own so that you can see how it works. So you click on open. So, but for yours, you need to download it first. You need to download and you register. You can see, you click on get started, and you can see this. So you are going to fill in your first name, your surname, your phone number, your email address, your referral code, your password, confirm password, and you click on register. Then after that, they will take you through some steps. Now, once you have registered, you need to log in like me. So this is mine. So I'm going to input my password here. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to log in with my password. So I'm going to log in. So I'm going to pause this video. Okay, I'm going to sign in. So you can see this. You can see the transactions I've made here. You can see. Now let me walk you through my account. When you click on this avatar image here, you see skill and income school. You can see that I open skill and income school, and this is it. Now the way it works is that after that you are going to be given an account number. You can see this is the account number, this is the account details, this is my account number. So you can send money to the account and I will receive it. You can see the transaction I've made just today. You can see I just transferred 500 naira from my business account, my main business account that I used my sweat to open. Like, this was stressful then when I was opening Ola Synergy Solutions. It was stressful. I need to go to EFCC to collect some documents, and I need to open CAC thing and everything for me to open this, just to open it in GTB. And I sent 500 naira from my GTB account here, for my corporate account here, to Skills and Income School, and you can see I also transferred. Now the good thing about this app is that they charge you 20 naira for any transaction you want to make. Okay, you can see pay as low as 0.1% only for inbound transfer. If you are transferring between this app, maybe from VPay to VPay, 0.1%, and if you are transferring outside, irrespective of the amount, be it 80,000, be it 500,000 naira, okay, you are going to be charged 20 naira, which is awesome, which is cool. Okay, now the first thing you need to do once you open your account is to come to the settings here. You can see the GI icon here, the GI icon. So once you go there, so you are going to see some kind of document you need to supply. Okay, so you need to supply some kind of document that you need to supply. So you need to supply some documents. So access security. Okay, now here you are going to you are going to set your PIN. Okay, because I've already done that, because you'll be limited to a certain amount you can transfer. Okay, but the KYC, that is know your customer, they are going to request for your picture, your ID card, and they are going to request for your, I think, utility bill. Yes, the normal document banks request to open an account, they are going to request it to you also here. Now make sure on the picture, the ID card you are going to be providing, make sure it is your own ID card, because the way you are going to do it, that they will ask you to snap the front ID card. You are going to snap the back, and you are going to snap it with the card, with you holding that card. You are going to snap it with you holding that card, so that they will confirm that it is you that you really hold that ID card. So, and the utility bill will be scanned, you'll be supplied. I think those are, and you are going to fill in some documents. Okay, so this is the, okay, let me see. So this is so once it is done, so they are going to send you, they're going to send you a confirmation that it is successful. Now the beauty about this thing is that now this how it works is that for you to receive money, okay, here you are going to receive money in your wallet, but for you to withdraw that money, you need to supply a personal bank account, your own personal bank account. You can see mine. If I want to withdraw now, you can see mine. You can see I've supplied my own personal bank account. This is if you want to keep money in this wallet, you can check this. If you don't want to keep the money in the wallet, whenever people transfer to you, okay, whenever people transfer to you, it will just go straight into that your account. The account you have supplied there, it will just like a redirect. It will just redirect straight into your bank account, and you are going to see alert. Bang, sorry. So that is the way you see alert in your bank account. Okay, so it means they are routing your account number to your account that you have supplied there. But if you chose to keep your money in the wallet, you just check this box and you click on continue. That is just it. So whenever you transfer money, so you can see, so whenever you transfer money, it will land there. Now let's do some transaction. Now let me transfer out maybe 100 naira, and you can easily buy airtime and withdraw. Let me say I want to withdraw. Let me say the amount I want to withdraw is maybe 15 naira. I'm just giving you some instance. Then you put your transaction PIN. I'm going to pause this for security purpose. Okay, so once you put in your transaction PIN, so you click on continue. You can see request completed, your 15 naira withdrawal was successful. Back to home. So immediately the 50 naira will be transferred to me in my bank account. Okay, in my bank account, which is the one I've supplied here. Where is it? Which is the one I've supplied here. Here, you can see. So it will be can you see? It will be transferred here. Okay, it will be transferred here. Okay, it will be transferred here. That is where. Now let me just quickly do some kind of transfer from my main account. Maybe I want to send like 200 naira here. So let me go to my main corporate account, and let me just send money to my corporate account. In my corporate account, let me just send it. Okay, I'm blowing this my account details so that for security reasons. Now you select a bank. Okay, this is my account. You select a bank, and mind you, you're going to select VPay. Okay, sorry, not mortgage. So I'm going to search bank. So I'm going to search. Oh, sorry, why am I? Sorry. So let me just think my network. So I'm going to search a bank. I'm going to search for VPay. Just search for V. So just search for VD. Oh, sorry. What am I typing? Search for VD. DVD. Okay, I think it's V. Let me just scroll. Okay, can you see VFD Microfinance Bank? You can see VFD. So VFD Microfinance Bank to account number. I think I copied the account details. Let me go back to my accounts. Let me copy this account number. Copied it. So I'm going to paste it here. So amounts, let me say 200. So continue. So you can see skill and econ school. So it will prompt me to enter the details of my card, of my token. So let me just grab my token. Oh, sorry. All right, so it has been transferred. So I'm going to go back. So it can take some minute, just 1 minute or something. So, but at times I log out and I log in for me to see the transaction. So just hold on, and it's very fast. It's fast. So it's very fast. So let me just log out and log in. Let me log out. Sorry, to log out, click on the J icon, click on log out. So now let me log in again, sign in. You can see 200 naira payment from last night. You can see I've not even logged in, so it has given me the transaction. That is what we really need. 200 naira payment from last night solutions. You can see that. Now let me log in to show you the transaction. So you can see that the other time was 130 or something. So you can see now it is now 330. You can see 200 naira. You can see. So now this is how you can withdraw. Now let me show you. I think we transfer 15 naira the other time. We do 15 naira. Let me show you the 15 naira that we do. Let me show you my. I think it has been sent to my email. Let me check. So I'm going to show you. So now you can see this transaction. Now you can see 15 naira credit. You can see 15 naira credit. You can see. So guys, so this is how to transact. How to open your own business account or corporate account on this app. So go out there, open your business account, start transacting business, start closing deals, and let people see you as a legitimate business owner. Okay guys, I hope you really enjoy and you really like this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel, and please click on the notification bell so that you get notified so once I drop new video. Okay guys, so thank you for loving my video. Thank you for watching. You can share this video, and if you wish to get any video that I'm not describing here, or you need any tutorial of any form, just or comment below and I will try my best to provide it to you. Thank you guys. My name is Solution Ahmed and I will see you in my next video.